Hello everyone, this is a list of some animals and their meat. Guys, before you press on, just subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get my new videos every week. I am teacher Narsip. Let's get started. Okay, the first one, the meat of cow is called beef. The meat of pig is called pork. The meat of sheep is called mutton. The meat of deer is called venison. The meat of goose is called goose. The meat of chicken is called chicken. Okay, guys, my question is this: how do you call the meat of goat? Just write in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get my new video every week.